Hello my friend and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video we'll play Find the Odd One Out, Christmas edition. Along with many other interesting quizzes, we prepared 35 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel. And 3, 2, 1, let's get started. Get ready with the easy level. Question 1. Can you find the odd Santa Claus? Great start, the odd Santa Claus is here. Question 2. Let's find the odd Christmas tree. Good job! It's located in the third row. Next, test your memory. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the train emoji located? Correct, the train emoji is located at the number 4 position. Question 4. Guess the Christmas song by Emoji. What song is this? Yes, All I Want for Christmas Is You. You're great! Can you find the odd train? Excellent, the odd train's in the first row. Let's find the odd reindeer. So well, it's located in the second row. Question 7. Who's singing this Christmas song? You got it, that song's by the Minions. Which Mrs. Claus is correct? Good job, picture B's the correct Mrs. Claus. Can you find the odd Christmas candy cane? Have you found it yet? It's here! Question 10. Would you rather spend Christmas with your family or with your friends? Which one do you choose? Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Let's move to the medium level. Can you show me the odd Christmas stocking? Well done! It's located in the final row. Question 12. Where's the odd snowman? Good job! The odd snowman's here. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the Christmas candy cane emoji located? Great answer! It's located at the number 5 position. Question 14. Guess the Christmas movie by Emoji. What's the name of this movie? Perfect, that's the movie The Grinch. Can you find the odd Grinch? Time's up. Let's check out the answer. It's here. Where's the odd penguin? Amazing, it's located in the second row. Which character's dancing this Christmas dance?
Hop it up, hop it back, shake it to the right. The snowflake shuffle.
Correct, it's the elf on the shelf.
Hop it up, hop it back, shake it to the right. The snowflake shuffle's got us.
Question 14. Which wood emoji's correct? So well, emoji A is the correct answer. Can you find the odd Santa Claus? You're great, it's located in the third row. Question 20. What gift would you like to receive on Christmas? Come on, what's your favorite Christmas gift? Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Next is the hard level. I trust you can do it. Can you find the odd gingerbread house? Nice! Have you found it yet? It's here! Question 22. Where's the odd Christmas fireplace? Fantastic, it's located in the final row. Question 23. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the Christmas fireplace emoji located? That's right, it's located at the number 3 position. Guess the Christmas food by emoji. What kind of food is this? Wonderful! Gingerbread's the correct answer. Can you find the odd sled? Of course, the odd sled's in the second row. Where's the odd Santa Claus hat? Time's up. Let's check out the answer. It's here. Question 27. Can you guess the Christmas meme? You're great. It's Bad Santa meme. What's the name of this Christmas song? Excellent, the answer's Last Christmas. Can you find the odd Christmas candle? Have you found it yet? The odd Christmas candle's here! Question 30. Would you rather decorate a gingerbread house or write letters to Santa Claus? Which one do you choose? Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. The last one is impossible level. Question 31. Can you find the odd Elsa? Very good. The odd Elsa's in the final row. Where's the odd reindeer? Time's up. Let's check out the answer. The odd reindeer's here. Question 33. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the fireplace emoji located? Good job! The fireplace emoji is located at the number 7 position. Now it's time for you to find 3 differences in the 2 pictures. Time's up! Let's check the answer. Question 35. What's the name of this Christmas movie? Which Christmas movie is this? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.